The Federal Communications Commission recently approved the Nokia 5.1, a mid-range phone that is a revamped version of the Nokia 5. FCC approval indicates that the phone will be launched soon in the US as detected by the Android police. We got an early look at the Nokia 5.1 in late May, after HMD Global, which now manufactures Nokia smartphones through a license agreement, confirmed the existence of the device and promised to launch in July. There are 4 variants approved by the FCC, and it seems that 2 of them have support for dual SIM cards. Each variant has a slightly different RAM and storage capacity, with options for 2 GB or 3 GB of RAM and 16 GB or 32 GB of storage. All variations will be powered by a MediaTek Helio P18 2 GHz octa-core processor and come with a 5.5-inch HD+ display with an aspect ratio of 18:9. On the back, there is an enhanced 16-megapixel camera on the fingerprint scanner, which has been moved from the front, where it was in the Nokia 5. On the front, there is an 8-megapixel wide-angle selfie camera. As for the ports, it has a microSD card slot, a headphone jack and a charging port.